Hey everyone, in today's video, we are diving deep into the art and science of branding, providing you with actionable strategies for success. Whether you are a solo entrepreneur, running a small business, or part of a larger multi-brand organization, these tips are for you. Let us get started. Step number 1. Apply and evolve your branding. Alright, let us embark on our journey by delving into the nuanced process of applying and evolving your branding. As a brand marketer, your primary mission is to orchestrate a symphony of elements that create a consistent brand image. However, here is the intriguing twist. You won't wield absolute control over how individuals perceive your brand. So how does one navigate this delicate dance? The key lies in cultivating customer trust, nurturing a loyal audience, and remaining adaptable to the ever-evolving dynamics of the market. Let us break down these steps to chart a course for success in the realm of brand application and evolution. First and foremost, consider the application of your brand across various touchpoints. From your website to social media platforms, each interaction should seamlessly embody your brand's identity. Ensure that your logo, color palette, and messaging resonate consistently, creating a cohesive visual and narrative experience. Consistency is the linchpin that reinforces your brand's identity and fosters recognition amidst a sea of digital noise. Now, let us pivot to the evolution of your branding. Recognize that the perception of your brand will inevitably shift over time. Embrace this fluidity and stay attuned to market trends, emerging technologies, and evolving consumer preferences. A brand that adapts stays relevant. Engage with your audience, solicit feedback, and be willing to evolve your branding strategy based on these insights. This iterative process is not just about survival, it is about thriving in a dynamic landscape. In essence, we commence this exploration. Remember that your brand is not static. It is a living entity that breathes with the pulse of your audience and the market. By applying your branding consistently and evolving it intelligently, you are not just creating an image, you are crafting a brand narrative that resonates authentically, builds trust, and stands resilient in the face of change. Step number 2. Branding KPIs. As your brand steps into the limelight, it is essential to wield the powerful tools known as Key Performance Indicators or KPIs to measure its impact. These metrics are your secret weapons, offering valuable insights into the success of your branding efforts. We are delving into the metrics such as brand awareness, loyalty or retention rates, and advocacy, each a critical facet in understanding and enhancing your brand's performance. Stick around and I will guide you through the process of tracking and interpreting these KPIs to unveil the narrative behind your brand's journey. First and foremost, let us shine a spotlight on brand awareness. This KPI gauges the extent to which your brand is recognized and recalled by your target audience. Whether it is through surveys, social media mentions, or website analytics, monitoring brand awareness provides a tangible measure of your brand's visibility in the crowded marketplace. By understanding how well your brand is known, you can tailor your strategies to enhance recognition and expand your reach. Next on our KPI journey is customer loyalty or retention rates. These metrics offer a window into the hearts of your audience, reflecting their commitment to your brand. By tracking customer retention, you gain insights into the effectiveness of your products, services, and overall brand experience. A loyal customer base not only drives sustained revenue but also serves as a powerful testament to the resonance of your brand in the hearts and minds of consumers. Finally, let us explore advocacy, the pinnacle of brand impact. Advocacy KPIs measure the degree to which your customers become brand ambassadors, actively promoting and endorsing your products or services. Whether it is through social media shares, positive reviews, or word-of-mouth referrals, these indicators illuminate the level of emotional connection your brand has cultivated. Harnessing advocacy KPIs allows you to amplify your brand's reach organically and capitalize on the authentic enthusiasm of your satisfied customers. So as we embark on this insightful journey into the realm of KPIs, envision them not just as numbers but as storytellers, revealing the narrative of your brand's performance. By diligently tracking and interpreting these metrics, you empower yourself to make informed decisions that elevate your brand's impact in the dynamic landscape of the market. Step number 3. Brands within a brand. Navigating the complex landscape of managing multiple brands within a multi-brand organization can be akin to solving a puzzle. Today, I'll be your guide in unveiling this intricate web. A multi-brand strategy involves overseeing various brands, each with its unique identity under different names. The ultimate goal? Limiting internal competition and strategically positioning each brand to capture a larger market share. So stay tuned as we delve into the nuances of multi-brand strategies and explore effective implementation techniques. To begin, let us understand the types of multi-brand strategies at your disposal. First is the branded house strategy, where a parent brand is prominently featured and sub-brands operate cohesively under its umbrella. This approach fosters a strong overarching brand identity while allowing for distinct product or service differentiation. Next, we have the house of brands strategy, where each brand operates independently with its unique identity and marketing approach. This strategy is ideal when catering to diverse market segments with varied needs and preferences. As we navigate through these strategies, effective implementation becomes paramount. The key lies in maintaining clarity and consistency across all brands while allowing each to carve its niche. Centralize your brand management efforts to ensure a cohesive visual identity, messaging, and values. Simultaneously, grant autonomy to individual brands, enabling them to tailor strategies to their unique market positioning. Moreover, constant communication and collaboration among brands within the organization are essential. Foster a shared understanding of overarching goals while respecting the autonomy of each brand. Regularly evaluate performance metrics, customer feedback, and market trends to fine-tune your multi-brand strategy dynamically. By embracing flexibility and adaptability, you position your multi-brand organization for success in a dynamic and competitive market landscape. So whether you are orchestrating a branded house or a house of brands, the art lies in harmonizing the unique notes of each brand within the symphony of your organization. By navigating this multi-brand landscape strategically, you not only minimize internal competition, but also maximize the collective impact of your diverse brand in the broader market. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to master your branding strategies. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to develop a winning multi-brand strategy, differentiation, global branding, and key takeaways. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.